This viral AI Disney poster short got 3.9 million views and made thousands of dollars off of one short. And so did these other accounts. The craziest thing is, this account started 1 month ago and only has 2 of these AI videos, but almost 10,000 subscribers. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to recreate these viral AI Disney poster shorts. Step 1. Brainstorm what your poster is going to be about. Some niches that work well are dark humor and just memes in general, so you might want to scroll on TikTok and see what's trending. Step 2. Go to ideogram.com and create an account. You're going to want to start your prompt with create a Disney Pixar poster with, and then you want to type in what you want your poster to be about, and then end with titled, and then type in your title in quotes. And either specify in the prompt that it's a poster and a 3D render, or click the tags below. I will show you 3 examples of what I made. The first prompt was Disney Pixar movie poster of a handsome, charming man staring at the camera, getting a girl's number. The title of the movie is The Rizzler. Poster 3D render. And here's what I got. The second prompt I tried was Disney Pixar movie poster of a muscular, handsome man with a strong chin. The title of the movie is The Giga Chad. Poster 3D render. And this time, this is what I got. The last prompt I tried was Disney Pixar movie poster with a person skydiving without a parachute and balloons around them, with the movie titled Down. Poster 3D render. And here's the final results. It's literally that easy. Step 3. After you have your poster, you want to head to CapCut.com so you can make your video. Upload your pictures that you created. Then we want to click here and add a transition effect. This will make the picture move when it's time for the next picture to appear. And this makes the short more engaging because every second matters on a short. That leads us into the next part. I've spent hours analyzing these shorts, and the average time a picture stays on the screen is 5 seconds. This is perfect because you don't want to leave a static image on a screen for too long, especially on a short, or else people will get bored quickly. This amount of time leaves the viewer with enough time to look at the poster, read it, and get the joke. Then the photo is quickly taken away and replaced with another one before the viewer gets the chance to swipe off. So make the picture 5 seconds each. Then we are going to use the trending sound for this meme. This will help your post to go more viral. The trending sound that goes along with this meme is this. All of these very popular AI videos have this exact same sound. So this is a trending audio. But we're not going to add the sound from CapCut, and I'll tell you why that's important in just a second. But first, here's a hack to create lots of these videos without editing it. If you notice, these videos all have the exact same layout. The only thing that changes are the pictures. So you can save your video, then open back up the CapCut editor and swap the posters you had before with the new ones, and save it again. Just rinse and repeat this, and you will never have to edit the videos again. Now, back to uploading our video. We will download this video, then head to YouTube and upload our short. Then we will add the sound from YouTube. As you can see, YouTube even recommends us this song because it's so popular. The reason we didn't add the sound on CapCut is because social media platforms tend to like when you use their in-app features, and the algorithm pushes your video more. Just post your short and you're done. Click here if you want to explode a faceless Instagram account using only AI.